Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Raspberry Pi using remote desktop in Windows. Let's begin. Here I had opened Git bash and empty remote desktop. Let's connect Raspberry Pi using the Git bash. To connect I use sh pi @192.168.0.202 is the IP address of my Raspberry Pi. Clear. So now let's update Raspberry Pi using the command sudo apt get update. It's processing. Almost 50%, 99% has been done. It's done. Now install XRDP package, which is used to connect with remote desktop using the command sudo apt get install XRDP. Here XRDP package is developed by Microsoft and it is an open source which is used to communicate which is used to connect the package has been installed. So now let's connect the Raspberry Pi using remote desktop. So here in the text box just enter the IP address of your connect. See, it has been opened, so just enter the password. See, here it is connected. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Press the bell icon and never miss another update.